Chabahar for development with Central Asia nations. India Ambani Group starts supplying electricity to Bangladesh. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
ਚੜਿਆ ਮਾਂ ਵਿਸਾਖ ਸਭ ਬਾਗ ਫੁੱਲੇ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ਹਾਲੀਆਂ ਆ ਗਈਆਂ ਚੜਿਆ ਮਾਂ ਵਿਸਾਖ ਸਭ ਬਾਗ ਫੁੱਲੇ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ਹਾਲੀਆਂ ਆ ਗਈਆਂ ਥਾਂ ਥਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਭੰਡਾਰ ਖੁੱਲੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਚਾਅ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਲੀਆਂ ਆ ਗਈਆਂ ਭੌਰ ਗੂੰਜ ਉੱਠੇ ਖਿੜੇ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਭੌਰ ਗੂੰਜ ਉੱਠੇ ਖਿੜੇ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਗਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਕੋਇਲਾਂ ਕਾਲੀਆਂ ਆ ਗਈਆਂ ਇੱਧਰ ਹਾਲੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਚਿਹਰੇ ਚਮਕ ਉੱਠੇ उधर फसलों ते लालियां आ गईयां उधर फसलों ते लालियां आ गईयां।
A very hearty good morning to everyone present here. I am here to speak on today's fest. Vaisakhi, also pronounced Vaisakhi as well as Basoma, marks the first day of the month of tradition and it is traditionally celebrated annually on 13th of April and sometimes on 14th of April. Vaisakhi brings the promise of a better tomorrow and the hope of a prosperity, happiness and wealth. Vaisakhi in Punjab. Vaisakhi has a religious meaning for the Sikh community of Punjab in India. On this day in 1699, Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th and the last Sikh Guru, established the Khalsa, also known as the Pure One. He ended the difference between the lowest and the highest communities of the Sikh and announced that all humans are equal. So Vaisakhi is also observed as the Khalsa Declaration Day. Other names for the Vaisakhi are, in Punjab we call the Vaisakhi as Vaisakhi and in other states like in West Bengal it calls by Nabha Varsha. In Bihar we call Vaisakhi as Vaishakha. In Kerala we call as Vishu and in Odisha it is known by Vishubha Sakranti. The celebrations related to the Vaisakhi. While there are so many reasons to celebrate Vaisakhi, but the celebrations begin with the decoration of the Gurdwaras with the flowers and the lightings. The Gajis of the Gurdwaras hold Nagar Kirtans and sing holy songs, burst crackers and distribute sweets. Many Sikh go to nearby rivers and take a holy dip on this day. Going Gurdwara is one of the main rituals on this day. At the last, I just want to say that may you come up as bright as sun, as cool as water, as sweet as honey. I really hope this Vaisakhi fulfill your all wishes and desires. Happy Vaisakhi to all of you.
जिना प्रेम विचो हर साजन पुरख विसार के लगी माया तो पुत्र कलतर न संग तना हर अविनाशी ओ पलच पलच सगली मोई झूठे तंदे मोह इक्स हर के नाम बिन आगे लइए खो दया विसार विगचना प्राबिन अवर न कोय प्रीतम चरणी जो लगे तिनकी निर्मल सोए नानक की प्रभ बेनती प्रभ मिले प्राप्त हुए विसाख सुहावा ता लगे जा संत भेटे हर सोए। सत्कारयोग चेयरमैन सर, MD मैम, प्रिंसीपल साहब, वाइस प्रिंसीपल साहब, गेस्ट साहिबान, अध्यापक साहिबान ਅਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਓ, ਆਪ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦੇ ਪਾਵਨ ਪਵਿੱਤਰ ਦਿਹਾੜੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ। ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦਾ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਸ਼੍ਰੇਣੀ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦਿਨ ਕਣਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਰੰਗ ਹਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਸੁਨਹਿਰੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦਿਨ ਤੱਕ ਪਰ ਫਸਲਾਂ ਪੱਕ ਕੇ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ ਤੇ ਕਈ ਥਾਵਾਂ ਤੇ ਕਣਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਵਾਢੀ ਵੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਲਹਿ ਲਹਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਫਸਲਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਨੱਚ ਟੱਪ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਪ੍ਰਗਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਸ ਦਿਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਬਾਹਰ ਲੈ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਧਾਰਮਿਕ ਪੱਖ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦਾ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਸਿੱਖ ਧਰਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਵੱਡਮੁੱਲੀ ਥਾਂ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੈ। 13 ਅਪ੍ਰੈਲ 1699 ਈਸਵੀ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ 10ਵੇਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਅਨੰਦਪੁਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਪੰਥ ਦੀ ਸਾਜਨਾ ਕੀਤੀ। ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਜਾਤ ਪਾਤ ਧਰਮ ਤੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ 5 ਪਿਆਰੇ ਭਾਈ ਦਇਆ ਸਿੰਘ, ਭਾਈ ਧਰਮ ਸਿੰਘ, ਭਾਈ ਹਿੰਮਤ ਸਿੰਘ, ਭਾਈ ਮੋਹਕਮ ਸਿੰਘ, ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ ਖੰਡੇ ਬਾਟੇ ਦਾ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਾ ਕੇ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਪੰਥ ਦੀ ਸਾਜਨਾ ਕੀਤੀ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਾਉਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਆਪ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਂ ਪਿਆਰਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਿਆ, ਜਿਸ ਦੀ ਉਪਮਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਈ ਗੁਰਦਾਸ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ, ਹਰ ਸੱਚੇ ਤਖਤ ਰਚਾਇਆ ਸਤ ਸੰਗਤ ਮੇਲਾ, ਨਾਨਕ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰੰਕਾਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਖੇਲਾ।
first time I am interacting with all of you. I'll begin with Vimal sir, though he is not present here, but as he is the backbone of this institute. So my honor goes to Vimal sir and Honorable Managing Director, Manpreet ma'am, the Chief Guest of the day, Amanpreet ma'am, Honorable Chairman of our school, Sachin sir, Honorable Principal ma'am, Mrs. Vijay sir, my dear teachers and dear students, a very warm good morning to all of you and a very happy Vaisakhi to you and your family. Today, as I stand in front of you, I feel honored to be the Vice Principal of this wonderful institute. First and foremost, I want to recognize the achievements of our school. The school was established in the year 2016, and within a span of 7 years, we have achieved the milestones. We are good in numbers now, we have a very sound infrastructure. I have found the management team very cooperative. They are really working hard for the betterment of this school. From past 1 month, approximately 1 month, I'm working under our principal, Mrs. Vijay Sohar. I've seen her working very hard for this institute. She has planned a lot of activities. A planning has been done for this particular session, and I'm grateful that we have such a talented and such a wonderful person who's leading our school. Thank you, ma'am. To our teachers, I would love to say that you have been very cooperative, you're very talented, and I would love to have your cooperation in this academic session and in the coming years when we'll be working together. And at last, for you, my dear students, let me tell you that you are the reason we are here in the school. Let me tell you the purpose of this institute. This institute is made for you. There are two persons who are working hard for you, who are praying that you get succeed in your life. One, it is your parents, your mother, your father, who has been praying, who has been dreaming that my child will get success in the life. And the second one, your teachers. Your teachers are working hard for you. They are preparing the lesson plans. They are preparing the chapters. They are excelling you. They are working hard so that you excel not only in the field of education, but in each and every field, being it curricular activity or extracurricular activity. We have achieved a lot of things, and we will achieve a lot of things in the coming years. For my students, our students of 10th and plus 2, I want to tell you that you have a great responsibility on your shoulder. The coming academic session 2023-24, you are not only representing yourself, you will be representing this school, you are representing your family also. So whatever is taught to you in the school, make sure you utilize the potentials of the teacher. Wherever you feel you are lacking, just come, be friendly with your teacher, come and ask the doubts so that whatever is taught, you are done with that particular topic. I hope we all will work together and we will reach the milestones. Now to conclude, I would say that I'm very honored that I'm given the opportunity to be a part of this institute. Let us all work together. Let us cooperate with each other and make this school the best school in this particular area. Thank you, everyone.
they were motivating you, pushing you, तो yes, you also should come on the stage and dance. कितने बच्चों को ऐसे लगता है? How many of you feel कि हमें भी डांस करना चाहिए? Anyone? Yes, good, very good. So what we can do, एक बार all music कर देते हैं so that all can performance. All everyone's performance can be displayed here. एक बार दोबारा से बता दो, how many of you want to do that? Yes, अच्छे से hand raise करो. See, you will be given a chance if the number is more. Okay. There are still some shy students. It's very lovely to see you all here, and I really appreciate the presence of our MD ma'am and our lovely guest who is with us, and I'm very proud of our students and our teachers, the team who have really put up a beautiful function on such a very short notice. As usual, I don't give much time, hardly 2 days, girls were here on the stage, right? I'm very grateful to you guys, Raman sir, Neha ma'am, everyone off and on the stage, the team who were handling the students at the back. So students, what is the importance of the day? It is Vaisakhi. That's why the day was celebrated, and it will be celebrated through centuries. Why it should be? खालसा पंथ, आपने ये सुना गगन सर की स्पीच में? हाँ? What is खालसा पंथ? Means a qawm, people, group of people. Panth is that. That is, people are involved in that. People make that. And one is the leader. Who was the leader? Louder. Who was the leader? हाँ? Guru? Yes. आपको पता होना चाहिए. You are from this state, this very state. Okay? गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी ने करी थी. किसकी करी थी? कौन सा पंथ रखा था? Foundation of खालसा पंथ. खालसा क्या होता है? It is the purest form. एक प्योर होता है, उसमें थोड़े बहुत compromises होते हैं, ups and downs होते हैं, है ना? हम अपने हिसाब से उसको सेट कर लेते हैं कि ठीक है, ऐसे भी चलेगा, ऐसे भी चलेगा. बट अगर हम खालसा की बात करते हैं तो व्हाट इट शुड बी? इट शुड बी द प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म. कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस नहीं. ओके, सो एवरीवन हु बिलीव्स इन गॉड, इन गुरु, दे हैव टू walk on the path of Khalsa, the purest form. That virtues you carry, they should be pure. There is no compromise. हम किसी भी हालात में गलत नहीं जाएंगे, चाहे वो डिसिप्लिन है, चाहे वो स्टडीज है, रिस्पेक्ट है, ग्रेस जो आप कैरी करते हो. ओके, द पेरेंट्स, दे टीच यू एट होम, दे गाइड यू एट होम. In the school, the same job is done by the teachers, right? But then it is up to you. आपने खालिस होना है कि प्योर होना है, impure होना है? What do you have to do? हाँ? खालिस? बोलिए. Speak up. खालिस होना है, प्योर होना है, impure होना है? Okay? So let's have one word, one commitment to ourselves today. That is why this function has been put up. Otherwise, a small speech is ample. But no, unless and until we follow the same virtues that have been settled by our gurus, we cannot become the true persons. Okay? We must not believe on what people say. It's not what people say, it is what Guru says. Okay? So, इसमें एक और important message है कि don't listen to the rubbish things that are separate on the name of Khalsa Panth. Okay, Khalsa means it's only the purest form, right? So with this, I would really appreciate and pay my thanks to our students, to our teachers, the team, the management, who have been always supporting us, and the pillar of success, the pillar of strength, our Sachin sir, our Bade sir, Vimal sir, and our MD ma'am. We would really work hard with the commitment, with the cooperation of the students and the parents, right? so much. Have a wonderful day. And I would request Raman sir, after we leave, just play the music for our students for a few minutes so they can dance and enjoy the day. Okay?